Before you buy an EV, there's something you need to hear. Thousands of owners say they love their car, but still regret the purchase. Not because it's electric, but because they missed a few key details. Let's break down what EV buyers wish they'd known before buying. Let's start with the biggest shocker: insurance. EV insurance is generally 10 to 25% higher than gas cars, mostly because EVs have pricier parts, advanced sensors, and higher repair labor. A fender bender for a gas car might be $1,200. For an EV, it could be $3,000 plus. And speaking of things that add up, some states give EV incentives, but others charge extra annual EV fees, from $100 to $225 per year, to make up for lost gas tax revenue. You might also face higher local sales tax depending on vehicle price. No one warned me that registering an EV could cost more every single year. EV registration costs are higher than hybrids and gas cars. For example, states like Georgia, Tennessee, and Arkansas now include additional EV registration surcharges. Not huge individually, but year after year, they add up fast. The car was affordable, but the home charger bill wasn't. And speaking of things you'll eventually need at home, yes, a home charger is a game changer, but also a wallet changer. A Level 2 charger ranges from $400 to $800, and installation can run between $700 and $2,000, depending on your home's electrical capacity. Older homes with panel upgrades, that can jump to $3,000 plus. I assumed EV repairs would be cheaper. I was wrong. Repairs can get expensive. Battery replacements are rare, but cost $12,000 to $20,000 if out of warranty. Even basic parts like headlights or charging ports cost more due to integrated electronics. I thought public charging would be cheap, until I saw the bill. Public charging isn't always cheaper than gas. Fast charging can cost $0.31 to $0.55 per kilowatt hour, meaning a full charge can be $22 to $34. In some states, that's equal to or more expensive than fueling an efficient gas car. Plus, idle fees can add $0.3 to $1 per minute if you leave your car plugged in too long. Winter sounded beautiful, until my EV range started disappearing in the snow. EVs are amazing, but every owner hits a few surprises along the way. The key is knowing what to expect, so you don't get caught off guard. If you've experienced any of these EV surprises, drop a comment, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more real EV insights.